doing my makeup. So the first thing I'm gonna do is spray my face with this badescu spray. Foundation, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm mixing these, so I'm mixing 322 and 310. Don't mind this big ass pimple right there. That shit, I don't even know. But now I'm just gonna be blending it out with my Real Techniques sponge. Spoolie, I got you, bro. Alright, so they're doing her makeup right there, and I'm over here doing my makeup. Okay, so I forgot to show my fucking concealer part. To bake, I use this airspun powder.
I don't know, I just do them.
I already know.
Yeah, right now.
Ah, fucking shit. I hate this fucking powder.
Dude, Stephanie, stop cussing.
I hate this darn powder. You know how dumb I sound saying that? Hey, nah, but for real, let me try to not
you
cuss.
You have kids watching you, Steph.
Well, they can unwatch me. You watch my videos?
I watched all her videos.
So did I. I even watched the fucking, the one that you go, the...
4th of July vlog?
Yeah, that one.
The which one?
4th of July vlog.
Oh.
True supporters.
Hey, Stephanie, I'm gonna ask you something about me, and you have to answer correctly. If you're not, then fuck you.
Alright.
When's your birthday?
When's my birthday? Bitch.
February 8th, some shit like that.
9th.
Okay, I was close.
Okay. What's my favorite color?
I'm just gonna say black is not a color, but black is a shade, so black is your favorite shade.
Black should be considered as a color.
I don't know why the heck it's not.
Like, if you tell someone black is my favorite color,
they'll be like,
oh, black is not a color, it's a shade.
Like, shut. Like, I can't not cuss. Like,
same. If I go 24 hours without cussing, I'll
I tried it many times, but it doesn't. Oh shit.
Not for you.
Oh shoot. I mean. Wipe this bake off. I barely even baked. I used to bake hella. Try freaking cuss.
What's my dog's name?
Annika, you've never told me
yes,
your dog's name.
Yes, I have. I have. Okay, what kind of dogs do I have?
You have a husky.
Yes. What color?
It's like, it looks like a German Shepherd.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what's the other one?
You have 2?
Yes.
You know my dog.
Don't you have a white one?
Yeah.
I need to set my face. I'm using this Stay Matte powder shit.
I don't want to see her, but she's so nice.
How many followers do you have?
Subscribers?
Oh yeah, that whatever.
Dude, I hit 4K like yesterday.
Yes, bitch.
Like what?
Some fucking person spelled my name with 2 N's or 2 K's.
Oh yeah.
I remember. Yeah. And then another person said A-N-I-C-A. Like what the fuck?
People are stupid. And I'm one of those people. I hate this freaking bronzer because it's so hard to blend.
It like makes like that sharp ass line when it bronze.
Some hoes don't blend it right and you can just see the fucking line. I need to set my face. I got a referral for her fucking class, and she was my favorite teacher ever, and I was like her favorite student.
How'd you get a referral?
Cause so I guess we were doing like this science project shit, and not a science project. It was like, I don't know. It was just something, a little project. And then you know those like squeezy tubes, like you pick up water with them and like you can like, squirt them out. I don't know what they're called, but yeah. Got some water and I sprayed it on some kid, and like I guess she didn't see, but then he did it back and he got my eye. She seen, and then she was like, Stephanie and so like come to the front. And so we went, and she was like writing fucking write-ups for us. Wait, were you in sixth?
Yeah.
For her sixth grade?
Remember you didn't.
What time is it?
Time for you to fucking hurry your ass up.
Yeah,
Dude,
but I
we
guess
have 15 minutes.
It's cool, it's cool. So I guess I'm just gonna do my mascara really quick. Let's do a thumbnail.
Wait, where's the fucking lip gloss?
Wait, a thumbnail, homie.
Okay, ready?
Is it even pressing? I don't even know.
Like 4th grade.
Yeah. Those are so cute. I know, you fucking eat like a dragona.
She eats like an elephant.
I don't.
You're like a minus A or what?
Fuck you guys, I'm leaving. I didn't know where this is fucking cropped.
And bitch.
Like if I were denim on denim, well not really denim, but like,
Come on.
my makeup, this is the finished look. It's just like my everyday makeup. So for the lip gloss, I'm using this LA Colors lip gloss, and this shit is so freaking bomb. Like, I got this while I was in Cali, and I wish I would have gotten like so many more, but I really recommend this. Anyways, it's so bomb. So 10 out of 10 would recommend. I want another one, but I can't find these online. I can only find them in stores, and I don't know when I'm going back to Cali. So it is currently 12:07, and I'm on my lunch right now, but I'm gonna go to school like at 12 after lunch, so like 12:35 I think. I don't know. Students aren't testing, only like sophomores, juniors, and seniors are testing, so we get a 3-hour late start. So I'm walking to school. Most likely I'm gonna be late.